bracket, this is open bracket, and this is curly bracket. Okay. Now, when you take A comma B, in this condition A comma B, and this condition A comma B, both of these conditions, it means from A to B, there are infinite number of values. Okay, but in this case, only two values, only A and B. Got it? This point? Again, I repeat, if you take 1 to 2 in closed bracket, it means there are infinite number of values from 1 to 2, okay, between 1 and 2. But in this case, if you take 1 comma 2, it means there are only two values or only two elements. These are 1 and 2. Any problem?
No. Understand.
No. And you have to study at this point only curly bracket. Only curly bracket, which are known as the sets. So that, first of all, what is sets? Sets is a combination of is a combination of different elements. Different elements. But no comparable. No compare. You cannot take the comparison between two elements. For example, if you take batsman of Indian cricket team, Indian cricket team. This is the set, okay? But when you take compare, means best batsman, then this is not set because of set does not include the compare. It take only the elements have different values. Any problem?
No.
No. Okay. Now I am giving you example. Write down. If you take books are in a library. This is set or not?
No.
Tell me. Yes, this is set because of books, only books. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D, any book are the sets. But if you take best books, best books, you take here compare best books. So this is not a set. No problem any?
I didn't understand.
You did not understand. I am telling other example. If you take any books, write down A, B, C, D, E are the examples of book. Examples of any example which are taken in the order of A, B, C, D, E. This is set or not?
It is a set.
This is the set. Very good. Now, if you take in this books, best book, best books, you cannot take compare. of these books, so that this is not a set. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, if you take again another example, B, animals on the earth. Animals on the earth. Okay. This is sets or not.
It's not.
No. Why? Animals on the earth. Eh, all the animals on the earth, you can take. This is the set. But if you compare most dangerous, here it is compared dangerous, most dangerous, then this is not a set. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. I am writing another example. All cricket team players team players of India. This is sets or not.
It's not a set.
Okay. And best cricketer of Indian team.
Oh, that's not a set, but the first one is a set.
Yes, this is the now you got it. This is the not set, but this is the set. Okay.
Yeah.
So that in this comparison, just information about the set, what is the set. Okay. Now, one more example. The collection of you just have to see, not compare better, good, best. Okay. Of all the months of a year. Of a year. This is set or not?
It is.
This is set. Okay. But second example, the collection of 10 most talented writers. It will be not set because of here it is compared most writers, most talented writers. Okay, so that set any set having only elements, there is no comparability between them. Okay, got it?
Yes.
Okay. Now, second point. If any set you take, for example, set as written as this type, curly bracket, and if you take A, B, C, D, E, all of these are different. Okay. If you write If you write A, B, C, D, E, again A, C, E. Okay. Now you will write only one element at one times. Repeated is not allowed. Repeated is not allowed. For example, here A is two times. So that you will write only A, only B. C here two times. So that it will be C, D, and E here two times. So that it will be right. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now, if you write B example, write down Allahabad A, double L A, H A, B A D. Okay. So that you can write which terms. Tell me. A one time. After
A
that,
L
L, yes, H,
S B E.
B, got it? So that this is the set. Okay. Another example, C, F, O, double L, O, W. Tell me, what is the element of this set?
F O L W.
F, O, L, W. Okay. So that this is the elements of the set and the notification of the set A, and in this curly bracket there are many elements. Okay. Now third topic, you take A, B, C, D. You see that A, B, C, D are the elements of set A. Okay. Any problem?
No.
So that you write A belongs to A. This is the belongs. This is the belongs. It means small a is the element of capital A, set A. Small a is the element of set A. Okay? Again, if you take C belongs to A. C belongs to A. What is this meaning? This is the element of A. If you write E, then it will does not belong to A. Any problem?
No.
Now, if you take D, it will belong or does not belongs.
It belongs.
It belongs to set A. So that this is the belongs. Okay. Now, set B example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Tell me
What's your question?
Question is 5 is belongs to B or not? It is true or false?
It belongs to me.
It is true. 6 belongs to
Does
B,
not belong.
does not belongs. Okay. 3 belongs to B. Any problem?
No.
So that there are three topics covered. First topic is what is said. Second, how you can write any set. Third, which elements are belongs or does not belong. Does not belongs. Okay. There are three topics covered. Now, write down two more questions. C is the any set in which 3, A, B, C, not C, D. You have to fill this point, write down on your copy. Here, belongs to or does not belong to. Okay? C, 3, 5, C, A, C, D, C, 1. Tell me. First, belongs to or does not belong to?
Belongs to.
Belongs to. 5,
Does not belong to.
does not belong to. Very good. A,
Belongs.
belongs to. D,
Belongs to.
1.
Does not belong to.
Okay. Any problem at this point?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay. It's clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, subset. Next topic, fourth topic is subset. If you take any set, example A, B, can you tell me how many elements in this set?
Two elements.
Two elements. That are A and B. Okay. So that subsets are subsets first null element. This is known as null element, null set, and this is known as PHI 5. You take circle and cut this. This is known as null set. Okay, it will be compulsory. Now, after that, you will take all of these elements as a set. For example, A, B, and A comma B. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. How many subsets are present? 4.
Four.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So that you can write 4, 2 raised to power 2. Any problem?
No.
No. Take another example. B. 1, 2, 3. Null set is the compulsory. So that 5. After that, 1, 2, 3, 1, comma 2, 2, comma 3, 1, comma 3, 1, comma 2, comma 3. Any problem?
No problem.
No problem. How many subsets are present? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It will be 8. And 8 can be written by 2 raised to power 3. Okay. So that this 2 is fixed. This 2 is fixed. And these are the number of elements in the set A. For example, here there are 2 elements, so that 2 elements. Here there are 3 elements, so that raised to power 3. It means if any set have 4 elements, A, B, C, D, can you tell me how many subsets?
2 raised to 4.
2 raised to power 4. Very good. Okay. Now you have to write down note. If any set A contains n elements, n elements, then number of subset will be 2 raised to power n. Any problem?
No problem.
No problem. Write down. You will write subset. After that, this example, this example, and after that, this is the very important point. When set A contains n elements, then the number of subset will be 2 raised to power n.
Uh,
Yes, tell me.
Nothing.
Nothing. Okay. Any confusion?
No.
Now, when you take element, only element of set A, then you write belongs to. Okay. For example, A equal to, if you write 1, 2, 3, so that 2 belongs to A. We have studied that. Now, for the subset, for the subset, we write this U, not this part, middle part, only this part, this. Any problem? This is the notification of subset, and this is the notification of not subset. Okay, and this is the notification of belongs to or element. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Right now. Now, can you tell me for this set how many subset will be?
2 raised to 3.
2 raised to power 3 is equal to 8. Okay. Now, be serious for this thing. You can write subset 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and last 1, 3. Okay, count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, Neha, first of all, you tell me 3 belongs to A or subset of A? Only 3.
Belongs to it.
Very good. Now, if you take 3 in the curly bracket, it is the subset of A or belongs to A?
Subset.
Subset of A, it means. Find this difference. Okay, this 3 is the element of this set A, but curly bracket of 3 is the subset of A. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, one curly bracket will be subset or belongs to?
Subset.
Subset of A. Four curly bracket belongs to, does not belong to, subset, not subset. What can you say?
Not subset.
Not subset of A. Very good. Okay. Only four belongs to, does not belong to, subset, not subset of
Does
A.
not belong to.
Does not belong to A. Okay. Neha, now tell me, any problem till here?
No, everything understood.
Now, I am giving you a question and you have to fill up the belongs to, does not belong to. Okay. Subset, not subset. For example, if you take A, B, C, and its subset will be 8, okay? And it is not necessary to write down all the subset. I am giving just your question. Okay, A, B, A, C, A, C, A, B, A, B. Now, tell me one by one. First, this part
Belong.
belongs to. Very good. Because of here is the only element. This is the belongs to. This part, B,
Subset.
subset. Very good. This,
Subset.
subset. This part,
Is that C?
yeah, this is C,
Okay. Belongs to.
belongs to. This part
Does not belong to.
does not belong to. This part
Is not subset.
does not succeed. Okay? Any problem?
No problem.
Okay. This was the fourth topic. Okay? Now, fifth topic. If you write set, set, then there are two forms. Set builder form and roster form. This is the method of write down any set. What is the set builder form and what is the roster form? I am telling you. Roster form is the curly bracket and all elements, all different elements, all different elements are written by using comma, by using comma. But in this case, you write in the statement form, in the statement form. Okay. For example, take you are the class of 11 and let your section is A. Okay. And I am taking only 10 students in your classroom, in which all students naming are A, B, C, D dot dot whatever 10 students. Okay. So that all of these students' name are written by using comma. And you can write also what is all the student of 11th A, your section. Both are same, but writing method is different. This is the statement format and this is the roster format by different name by using formula. For example, if you write A E I O U, can you tell me what is this? Vowel or consonant?
Vowel.
Vowel. So that this is in the roster form or set builder form. This is the roster form because of all the elements are written by using comma. Got it?
Got.
But when you write this x dot x is vowel or all vowel, all vowel, okay, of dictionary or all vowel. So that this is in the which form? Set builder form. This is the statement form. This is the statement form and set builder form. Okay.
Okay.
So that roster form is, how can you write? Tell me. Different elements by using comma. But in the set builder form, you can write it in statement
Statement.
form. Statement form. Okay. For example, I am taking another example. A. A word of book trigonometry. This is the set builder form or roster form. This is the set builder form because this is the statement. A word of book trigonometry. Okay. Not getting?
Getting.
Okay. Now, but when you have to write in the roster form, it means you have to break this part. How can you write? T, T, R, I, T, O, N, O, M, E, T, R, Y. Neha, can you tell me this is the true or we have to modify this? We have to modify this. What is modify this? Which is repeated. We have to write one time. Okay. Which part is repeated? T,
T
comma
R
R, comma I,
I
comma
G
G, comma
O
O, comma N,
N
comma
M
M, comma E,
E Y.
Y. Okay, this is in the set. Sorry, this is in the roster form. Okay,
Yes.
any problem?
No problem.
Write down another example. B. A city name Allahabad. First up, you tell me in which form it is. Roster form or set builder form?
Set builder.
Set builder form because of this is in statement form. Can you tell me in roster form? Tell me.
A L H B D.
A L H B D. Okay, this is in the roster form. Any problem?
No problem.
Okay. Now, next example. Set A x dot x equal to 2n, where n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you tell me this is the set form? Sorry, raster form or set builder form?
Set
Set
builder.
builder form because of this. You can tell me in the roster form?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No, no. You will put here one by one. 2
2 and 4.
into 1. Okay. 2 into 2. 2 into 3. 2 into 4. 2 into. Okay. So that it will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This is in the roster. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. Now, conversion of roster to set builder form. Write down 5, 25, 125, 625. This is in which form? Roster form or set builder form?
Roster form.
Roster form. Okay. And you have to write in the set builder form. Okay. This is little difficult from set builder to roster form, so that roster to set builder form little how write down. First of all, you have to see that what is the order of this number. Can you tell me? This is 5 raised to power 1. This is 5 raised to power 2. This is
5
5
raised to
raised to
power
power
3.
3. This is 5 raised to power 3. So that you can write x dot x equal to 5 raised to power small n. This is the best method to write, where n belongs to natural number. And natural number from where to where? 1 to, got it? This point? This is known as set builder. This is the writing method in the set builder. Okay, this is a 5 to raise to power n. Got it?
Got it.
Again, I'm giving another example. A 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Tell me, how can you write? X dot
Bracket x
x
dot
is equal
n
to 2n.
equals
2n,
2n.
because of this is the table of 2. Okay, where n belongs to
Belongs to natural number.
natural number, and this n from where to where?
2
1,
greater than or
1 to
equal
5.
to
1 to 5. How 1 to 5? Because of it will be 2 into 1, it will be
2.
2 into 2, it will be 2 into 3, and last will be 2 into 5. Okay, so that it will
Okay.
start from 1 and end will be 5. Got it?
Got it.
One more example. You have to solve this. Write down 3, 9, 27, 81. Tell me. First of all, tell me in which form this? Roster form, circular form.
Roster form.
Roster form. Okay. Write down in this part of set builder form. Can you identify this series by which series or how this series increases? Can you tell me? What is the order?
3,
3 raised
3
to power 1?
square, 3.
Yes, very good. 3 raised to power 2, 3 raised to power 3, 3 raised to power 4. Okay. So you can write curly bracket
X colon
x
X
dot x
equal
equal
to
to 3
3
raised to
raised to
power n,
n,
where n
comma,
belongs
n
to
belongs to natural
natural
number,
number,
comma,
and this n natural number from where to where?
1
To,
to 4.
okay. Any problem?
No problem.
How many topics we have covered? What is said? Which element belongs to? And the subsets, number of subsets, roster form, set builder form. Okay. Now I am giving a question. If set A contains 3, 4, 5 elements, then number of subsets not including null set. Options are 6, 7, 8, 3. Why
What
are
is 6783?
question is the number of subset not including null set. Options are 6, 7, 8, 3.
7.
7. Because of
2 raised to power 3 is 8, and then null set not
yes,
included.
because of it is 2 raised to power n minus 1. Okay, any problem?
Okay. No problem.
Now, Neha, should I continue for next topic?
What's the next topic?
Next topic is equivalence and equal sets. First of all, tell me, you got any problem for last 1 hour?
No, I understood today's class.
All topics
Yeah,
by proper, any no problem? Okay,
no
so
problem.
that so that if I complete these two topics, then your first exercise will be complete. Okay, so that I complete just two topics.